Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to sign up for Christian Medi-Share. If you don't have a Medi-Share account yet, we will put our referral link in the description below for you to sign up. Once you click on the link, you will be directed to this page. Here, enter all the required information such as your first and last name, email, phone number, and postal code. After entering, click on the tick box beside I'm not a robot. Then click on Get Info Now. Next, see the pricing information. To calculate your pricing, select first when you'd like to start and the number of applicants. Also, enter your state, zip code, marital status, and birth date. If there are 2 or more applicants, enter the birth date of the oldest applicant. Then click on the button that says See Your Pricing. Now you will see the list of prices. After viewing the details, click on the Select button under the plan you wish to select. Next, enter additional information about yourself. On the fields provided, enter your birth date, SSN or TIN, and gender. It will also ask you if you are a ministerial staff at your church. Click on the option applicable. After that, click on the button that says Onward. Here, enter the primary contact information. Then click on Save and Continue. If there's another applicant, click on the option that says Add New Applicant. If none, click on Submit. And now the initial information is submitted. To complete the sign up, click on Continue. To view the forms that need to be accomplished, click on the Show All Forms button. Then fill out all the remaining information on each forms. That's how you sign up for Christian Medi-Share. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.